Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing K-1 fiancé visas, and specifically we're discussing a question that comes up a lot, frankly, when I deal with folks who are looking to bring a Thai fiancé over from Thailand to the United States. Or, frankly, any fiancé. I shouldn't just limit that to nationality, as we do deal with other cases in this region. But for the most part, my practice here, especially with respect to immigration, does deal primarily with Thai nationals looking to travel to the U.S. With respect to the K-1 fiancé visa, let me be clear. I'm not just going to start listing interview questions. It really wouldn't do you any good anyway. A good legal professional that's dealing with the interview is looking at the given circumstances of the case in order to ascertain sort of, in a way, you kind of want to get your head into the mindset of the officer interviewing individuals who are undertaking visa applications at the U.S. Embassy. You want to get your mind into sort of the adjudicating consular officer's headspace to best understand what questions are likely to be asked. In some cases, the questions are rather routine, and frankly, the interview is rather short. In other cases, especially cases involving possible grounds of inadmissibility, either legal grounds of inadmissibility from the standpoint of U.S. immigration law, but even where a crime isn't committed, but a legal ground of inadmissibility may exist nonetheless. Even in those cases, you're looking at, you need to get your mindset right. A legal professional needs to get their mindset right to be able to prepare their client for what likely will be asked. And this preparation is not in order to, somehow fabricate or dance around the truth or anything like that. No, quite the opposite. Such preparation should be done in order to concisely and accurately answer questions that are reasonably foreseeable. Now, every once in a while, and very rarely, some sort of curveball question will get kind of thrown out of thin air. One time there was a case involving a fiance where just out of nowhere they just sort of were asking some questions about, she told me about the interview later, they were asking some questions about, the relationship, and then just out of nowhere, like, are you going to work in the U.S.? Which it's perfectly fine to say, yeah, I'm going to work as soon as I am legally authorized to do so. But that being said, for the most part, the immigration officers and the consular officers involved in the adjudication process of visas to the United States, in my experience, are not in the business of playing stump the immigrant, if you will. They're not looking to sort of make people uncomfortable, put people on the spot, or confuse anyone. But that being said, they have their own due diligence that they need to do in order to sort of go through and fulfill their function. And for that reason, a good legal professional is going to be able to provide some guidance and insight into what likely questions could be asked and provide some insight into how best to concisely and accurately answer those questions so as to best facilitate and streamline the processing of that given visa application.